YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another exciting video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thanks so much for all of your support. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe. If you follow the channel, you will know a few months back I had did the Ulta and Curlbox collaboration boxing, and I mentioned that I would actually be reviewing each one of the products. I believe we received either 5 or 6 of the products that I would be reviewing them on an individual basis. They were all from different product lines. So this is going to be part 3. I'll leave the other 2, the original video, and I did the design essential. Did I review anything? I'll leave the other 2 videos below in the description box if you would like to check those out. But in this particular video, the product that I will be focusing on is the Pattern Beauty, the gel, the Stronghold gel. And these are the results using that product. I just did a wash and go on my hair wearing crochet, my hair in crochet. I'll leave the link to that video below if you want to check that out, how I was previously wearing the hair. I use the non-stripping detox, the Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy. I use this to shampoo the hair. I do have a product review if you're interested in seeing what I thought in detail on this product. I'll leave the direct link to that video below in the description box. And then I followed up. I did also mention that I have a range to where I basically have a hair store labo that I would be pulling products. So I did have the Pattern Medium conditioner for curlies, and I also have a product review on this as well. I'll leave that video link below in the description box if you're interested in checking out to see what I thought about this. But I really like this conditioner. And then what I did was I followed up with the mousse while my hair was really wet, and you will see it in this video. Okay, now on, this is freshly shampooed, conditioned, detangled, and I did use a mousse to kind of, just as a basic leave-in, just to kind of prep before I apply the gel. I will share the products that I did use, and I do have product reviews on the products that I'll leave the links below. But the champion product of this particular, of this video is going to be the Pattern Beauty Super Hold Gel. It looks like this. It's a 15 ounce. It says for slick and snatch. So when I see slick and snatch, it just made me think about like pulling the hair back or putting the hair into some type of ponytail style. But it has a covering like this. It's clear in color. It has a really light soft smell. It says it's great for curlies, coolies, and tight textures when you need a healthy hold for a slick look. Now, you know I'm not doing no slick look. I'm going to do my standard wash and go. So we'll see how this goes. This is kind of thick in texture. Look at that. So we'll just see how this goes. And like I mentioned before, I did apply a generous amount of mousse over the hair after I washed and detangled. And I'm going to... The hair is wet. I tried not to drop. My hair tends to take gels better when it's wet, like when it's at its wettest. So I tried not to, you know, dry it off as much, but I didn't want to come on camera just dripping everywhere. But I'm going to just apply a nice amount of the Super Hold Gel and see how it does on my 4 textured hair in a wash and go. So I'll be back in a few hours for the final results. I use the Flex Hold Coconut Milk Curl Foam by Maui Moisture. So I used a generous amount of this before applying it, just to kind of add something to kind of hold the curl and kind of set the curl up. Now this gel does say that it's slick and snatch, which I didn't know, you know, if I should, you know, if this is geared more to where pulling the hair back or, you know, putting it in a ponytail. I knew I wasn't doing either one of those, but these are the results of using those products and then applying a generous amount of the Stronghold to it. And I really like it. I'm really surprised at the results. We are maybe about 3.5 hours from when I initially washed the hair, and my hair does take a while to dry. So I would say that my hair is maybe about, I would say my hair is probably maybe about 80% dry, but I like the texture. I like that it's not really crunchy. That's why I decided not to do a rod set with it, because I wasn't sure that it would be crunchy. But it says that this is great for curlies, coils, and tight textures when you need a healthy hold for a sleek look, never damaging or drying. Our flexible stronghold gel provides long-lasting hold without breaking hair or edges. Infused with sea moss, aloe vera, and shea seed to nourish and fortify curls. Our gel texture has built-in slip to easy distribute through the hair. Ideal for a slick look of your choosing and styles that need extra hold, keeping your texture juicy and joyful. I love that slogan. Love their packaging. Comes like this. It has the little white, hand on the top. I did use a generous amount, and this is a really thick gel. It's kind of stubborn. It's a really thick gel. No, maybe I will try it in the near future, you know, laying the hair down. But in this particular video, I was like, let me just use it, you know, as a wash and go. And I like it. My hair is soft. It's bouncy. I like the curl. At first, I didn't know if it was going to give me a flat look or a bouncy look. A true wash and go. Or wet and just air dry. I didn't do anything to it. Kind of just picked it out, put a little part in the center, and I like it. I mean, I'm going to try this again. I'm going to try this maybe, I did, you know, kind of lay the baby hairs down a little bit. Really soft hold for that, but it says it's great for styling between washes. So overall, I liked it. I was a little bit surprised. I didn't know if I was going to have hair residue or any flaking or anything like that, but pleasantly surprised. So if you've ever tried the Pattern Stronghold Gel on a wash and go or any style, leave your comments below and let me know how it worked out for you. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.